Ever wondered how the rich stay rich while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? The secret isn't just about making more money, it's about managing it like the wealthy do. Today, I'll break down the 50-30-20 rule, a budgeting strategy that can help you build wealth effortlessly. 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck. The sad truth, most people earn a decent income but still end up broke. The rich, they have a system. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a foolproof way to control your money and start building real wealth. So what is the 50-30-20 rule? Simple. Every dollar you earn gets divided into three categories. 1.50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries, the essentials. 2. 30% for wants, travel, dining out, Netflix, the fun stuff. 3. 20% for saving and investing, your key to long-term wealth. But here's where people go wrong. They mix up wants and needs. Let me ask you, is a daily Starbucks coffee really a need? Probably not. The wealthy follow this rule, but with a twist. They flip the priorities. Instead of saving what's left after spending, they spend what's left after saving. Split screen comparison, rich versus poor budgeting. The average person earn, spend, save, if anything is left. The rich earn, save and invest first, spend what remains. This mindset shift alone can change your financial future. Here's a simple trick: automation. The wealthy don't rely on willpower to save. They set up automatic transfers so their money grows on autopilot. 50% goes directly to a bills account, 30% to a spending account, 20% to investments and savings, stocks, ETFs, crypto. Once you automate, you remove the temptation to overspend. It's like putting your finances on cruise control. Now, most people mess up budgeting by falling into three traps. Underestimating expenses. You think you spend $100 on food, but it's actually $300. Not adjusting as income grows. A raise doesn't mean upgrading your lifestyle immediately. Ignoring high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt at 20% interest, paying it off should be your #1 priority. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about directing your money to things that actually matter. Let's be honest. Budgeting helps, but it won't make you a millionaire. The rich don't just save, they invest. They put their money to work. Every dollar sitting idle in a savings account loses value due to inflation. That's why you need to put that 20% into assets that grow. The goal? Turn active income into passive income. So one day, your money works for you.